Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and this is part 2 of our CNC print cut template video. So where we left off, we had put a bleed and we had put a cut mark on this file here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and select it, and I'm just going to go ahead and rotate it vertical like so. And so now what we're going to want to make sure that we have is a 1/2 inch in between each cut. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and, this is a 1/2 inch marker here, this pink square. So I'm just going to kind of leave that like so. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a Control 0 to zoom out and show the entire artboard. So again, select your whole piece, and we're going to go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and then Transform. You're going to want to make sure that you've got Preview checked. And for now, let's just put in 10 copies. So we need 200 of these, so I'm hoping we could fit a 10 by 10 grid in here. Next, what we're going to want to do is move horizontally. So you can see once you max out the slider, obviously you could go further than that. So just go ahead and click into this text field here and use your mouse scroll wheel. Scroll it forward, and you can see as you scroll it forward, it's spacing them out even more. So it's kind of hard to see down there with the amount that we're zoomed out, but you can see that pink square, and that is showing that we have at least our 1/2 inch gutter, which is perfectly fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click OK, because we got our 10 up here. Now we're going to repeat that process. We're going to go to Effect, and this is while leaving it selected. Distort and Transform, Transform, and now what we're going to do is, again, make sure you got Preview on, and we're going to punch in 10 again, because that's what we're trying to get to. Now we're going to move the vertical slider to the left, and you'll see that it starts making copies upwards. So again, we maxed out the slider, so click in the text field and go ahead and use your mouse scroll wheel, scroll it down, and just keep scrolling until we get that gap that looks similar to our horizontal gap. Oops. Okay, so this should be perfect right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click OK. Now we should be able to just keep this, and we'll go ahead and just move it in a little bit into the material like so. And now we need to go ahead and set up our registration marks. So we go to our registration marks layer, and again, I've got the registration marks off to the side. These are 1/4 inch circle black dots. Now you need to space these kind of randomly throughout the design. So we could go ahead and put one down there. And it's best to kind of have them at all ends of the artboard, so that way it's registering the bottom, and we'll go kind of towards the middle on the left here, and then about 3/4 of the way down on the right, like so. That way the OptiScout's going to search for these black dots. Once it reads those, it's going to know where all the cut files are. So that's it for this video. The next video is going to be how to export this file for both print and for CNC production. Thanks for watching.